Hey everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul. This one is from Love2plan92 and I will give you my code. It's going to be running across the top, and I'm going to go ahead and apologize for my voice. I did a poll on Instagram asking whether you wanted to hear just music or if you wanted to hear my voice, and hearing my voice won over. I'm not sick. This is probably what's going to happen until the rest of this wrestling season is over. I'm a screamer. So when my son's out there wrestling, I'm a screamer. Yes, I am one of those moms. So just FYI. Hopefully my voice won't be nerve-wracking, but if it is, just turn the volume down. I will have all the information down in the description below. And if I have more than one shop, then I will have that across the top as well. So here we go. I'm so excited that I get to showcase this company because I am just newly PRing for them. And this was during the November MPM sale. This was the freebie. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And then this also too was a freebie. So, I mean, perfectly matched. Hello, this is gorgeous, guys. So, love the freebies. Keep them coming. And let's see, let me see if I can show you. This says, hi, thank you for your purchase. Hope you like everything, Liz. So I will keep that right there. And hopefully I can try to do these in order. I was looking at them and loving on them, so hopefully I didn't mess them up too bad. These are the other PR Girls freebies. This is crystals. This is another see, I messed up. There's another freebie from Love2plan92 during the MPM sale. I'll put that one over there. This is Victoria's freebie. Two of them there. Taya's freebie. Cricket's freebie. This is mine, and my code is Cricket30 for 30% off. So that is my freebie that you'll get every time you mention my name in the description or in the notes to the seller. Kimberly's freebie. And then I ordered these. Look at this bunny holding a Christmas tree. How cute is that? Love it. I got two of those. Two of the sloths sledding. Very cute. And then who couldn't have a Christmas without a snowman and a pink flamingo wearing reindeer ears? So I had to get those as well. Then I ordered, let's see, this beautiful kit. And it's called Let's Go on a Date. I figured this would be perfect for the month of February. Go ahead and get started. And so here are your full boxes. Your half boxes, day covers, habit trackers, and bill dues. And I love how the boxes up here have the glitter around the edges like that. It's pretty. Your headers, your TV and little things, 2/4 boxes, flags, and your sidebar. Your full heart check boxes, your glitter headers, your sidebar habit, flags, heart flags, small and large. And then check out this bottom washi, guys. How beautiful is that? So you got your bottom washi, your weekend banner, birthday, fingernail polish, time with girls, shopping, date night, laundry day, Netflix, trash day, pay rent, coffee, TV, and a marquee. So that is beautiful. And that one is called Let's Go on a Date. And then this one is Going Places. And here are your full boxes. And I love these double boxes like this. I love them, love them. Your headers, your little things, flags in quarter boxes. Your glitter headers, your sidebar, your heart check flags. Your half boxes, day covers, habit trackers, and bill dues. Your heart check boxes. And then your bottom washi, which I love, and the Hello Weekend I love too. So cute. Very cute. So check out Love2plan92. She has awesome deals going on all the time. She also has printables as well. So if you're one of those that like printables, she does those as well. So she has a bunch of different things that she is selling right now as we speak. So if you go use Cricut30, you can get 30% off your order and also my freebie. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Hope you did, and if you did, please subscribe, and I hope to see you back here soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.